Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to reset the camera settings on Canon M50. The Canon M50 has 3 different reset options and each one is used for different purpose. First, let's start with the main camera reset. To access it, press the menu button, go to the Setup tab with range icon and navigate to page 5. If you don't see page 5 on your screen, switch your camera to shooting mode where these options are available. I am currently on manual mode. Next, select Clear Settings and tap on Clear all camera settings. This option restores most shooting and menu settings to their factory defaults. Select OK to confirm and reset the camera settings. The second option is clear all custom functions. Custom functions are advanced camera settings found in the dedicated custom functions menu. They allow you to customize different shooting features and assign functions to camera buttons. This option resets the custom function settings back to their default values, but custom button assignments will remain unchanged. Select OK to confirm and start the reset process. The third option is the wireless communication setting reset. To access it, go to the page 1 in Setup tab. Open wireless communication settings and tap on Clear Settings. This reset is useful if you have problems connecting your camera to your phone or another device. It removes all saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections and can help resolve connection issues. Select OK to confirm and clear the wireless settings. It's also worth mentioning that none of these resets will delete any photos or videos stored on your memory card. And that's all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, consider subscribing. Bye.